Looking for a large air fryer that can deliver crispy, mouth-watering results while cutting down on all that excess oil? If so, you're in the right place. Today we are diving into another round of air fryer reviews. These kitchen champs have been stealing the show lately, and I've got 5 awesome models to break down for you. Whether you're whipping up crispy fries, roasting a chicken, or just trying to make dinner less of a hassle, I've got you covered with all the juicy details and features. Could this be the perfect moment to ditch traditional greasy frying methods and embrace a healthier, more convenient way to cook your favorite meals? Stick around, because we're about to find out if this budget-friendly kitchen gadget is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Ready? Let's jump in! Kicking things off with the COSORI 9-quart dual basket. This thing's a total kitchen MVP, and it's ready to flex some serious muscle. It's rocking a 9-quart capacity, split into 2 4.5-quart baskets, so you're set for family-sized meals or prepping a week's worth of grub in one go. Think whole chickens, big batches of veggies, or even a pile of wings for game night. No sweat. It's a 10-in-1 beast, meaning it can air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, toast, reheat, broil, grill, keep warm, and even proof dough if you're feeling fancy, all in one slick package. The digital touchscreen is super user-friendly, loaded with one-touch presets for stuff like steak, seafood, fries, or desserts. Just tap and let it roll. It's got a temp range from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, powered by 1750 watts, and the dual convection fans keep everything crispy and cooked evenly. No flipping required. The baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze, and it comes with extras like a recipe book, skewer rack, and frying basket to get you started. The Sync Cook feature lets you match settings across both baskets for big batches, while Sync Finish times them to wrap up together even if you're cooking different things. Oh, and the design. Sleek with a big viewing window. Looks sharp and lets you peek at your food without opening it up. Plus, it's got a shake reminder to nudge you mid-cook for extra crispiness. The COSORI 9-quart 10-in-1 air fryer with digital controls is built for versatility and easy of use. This COSORI's a blast if you're all about options. You can whip up wings, bake a cake, or dehydrate fruit without breaking a sweat, and those presets make it foolproof. But it's not tiny, so if your counter's cramped, you might feel it. And if you're just here for basic fries, all those functions might be overkill. Still, for a do-everything gadget, it's a tough one to top. Next up, the Ninja Foodi 10-quart, a legit beast in the air fryer game that's ready to feed a crowd. It's rocking a massive 10-quart capacity, split across 2 independent 5-quart baskets, so you can cook 2 dishes at once without mixing flavors. Picture fries in one, chicken in the other, or even a full 6-pound roast with a side of veggies. Dinner sorted. It's a 6-in-1 champ with air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all powered by 1800 watts of juice. The DualZone Technology is the real star here. Smart Finish syncs cook time so both baskets wrap up together, even with different settings, and match cook duplicate settings across both for huge batches of the same thing, like 8 pounds of wings. The temp ranges from 105 degrees Fahrenheit for gentle dehydrating up to a sizzling 450 degrees Fahrenheit for that crispy finish, and the cyclonic fans blast hot air for even cooking every time. Baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Plus you get crisper plates to keep food elevated for max airflow. The digital control panel's got clear buttons and a bright display, and it's built tough with a sleek gray finish that screams Pro Kitchen. Oh, and it preheats lightning fast, so you're not twiddling your thumbs waiting to eat. This Ninja Foodi 10-quart dual basket air fryer with Smart Finish is made for multitasking. This air fryer is a lifesaver for big families or busy nights. The dual baskets and smart features mean less juggling, more eating. But it's a hefty unit, think SUV vibes, so you'll need space. And if you're cooking solo, it might feel like too much firepower. Still, for leveling up your kitchen game, it's a showstopper. What do you think of this Ninja pick? Hit the comments with your take and help others decide. Now, the Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer. This one's all about keeping things flexible and family-friendly. It's got a total 10-quart capacity, split between 2 baskets, around 5 quarts each. Perfect for cooking multiple dishes or feeding a hungry crew. You can air fry, bake, roast, broil, and dehydrate, with independent controls for each zone, so you're crisping veggies in one while baking a dessert in the other, no problem. It's powered by 1500 watts, with a temp range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, And dual convection fans make sure everything's cooked evenly with that golden crunch we all love. The baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, and it comes with a drip tray to catch grease. Less mess, more yum. The digital display's got touch controls with presets for fries, chicken, or fish, plus a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff so you don't accidentally turn your kitchen into a campfire. It's got a stainless steel finish that looks classy without trying too hard, and the baskets have cool touch handles to keep your fingers safe. It's got a preheat function to get things rolling fast. The Elite Gourmet DualZone Air Fryer with independent controls designed for cooks who keep it real. This Elite Gourmet is a solid pick if you want dual cooking without the fancy extras. It's got decent space and those separate controls are clutch. But it skips the high-tech sync features of pricier models, and the baskets might feel a tad smaller than some competitors. Still, for a straightforward dual fryer, it's a contender. What do you think about this Elite Gourmet? On to the Ninja DoubleStack 8 Quart. This one's a small space superhero that doesn't mess around. It's got an 8-quart capacity with two 4-quart baskets stacked vertically, so it saves counter space while still letting you cook 2 foods at once with separate settings. Genius for tight kitchens. It handles air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, all powered by 1800 watts, with a temp range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for everything from gentle drying to high heat crisping. Dual cyclonic fans keep the hot air swirling for even results, and the baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, complete with crisper plates for max airflow. The digital controls are simple: buttons for time, temp, and mode, plus smart finish to sync cook times and match cook for big batches. The stack design's a game changer, taller but narrower than most, so it fits where bulkier fryers won't. It's got a sleek gray finish with a modern vibe, and it preheats in a flash, so you're cooking sooner. Oh, and those baskets slide out easy with cool touch grips. Safety first. The Ninja 8-quart DoubleStack air fryer with vertical design is built for tight spaces and big flavor. Is like the compact hero of air fryers, delivering dual cooking without hogging your counter. But stacking means you might need to swap baskets mid-cook, which can be a hassle. And for big batches, the 8 quarts might feel snug. Still, for small kitchens, it's a total win. Wrapping up with the Ninja Foodi 8 Quart, a classic crowd pleaser that's all about balance. It's an 8-quart dual basket fryer, with 2 4-quart zones. Great for medium families or meal prep with independent controls for each side. Air fry nuggets in one, bake cookies in the other. It's got you covered. It's a 6-in-1 with air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, running on 1800 watts of power. DualZone Technology brings smart finish to sync cook times across baskets and match cook to duplicate settings for big batches, like 6 pounds of fries or wings. The temp range spans 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and dual cyclonic fans ensure even and crispy results every time. Baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, with crisper plates to keep food lifted for that perfect crunch. The digital control panel's got a bright display and easy buttons. The design's is a sleek gray with a sturdy build. It's got a 60-minute timer with auto shutoff. Set it and chill. The Ninja Foodi 8-quart dual basket air fryer with smart finish is made for versatility and everyday wins. This Ninja's a reliable all-rounder. It's perfect for most families, and those smart features make timing a breeze. But it's still bulky, so counter space is a must. And for huge crowds, you might want more capacity. Still, for a trusty dual fryer, it's a champ. There you go, 5 air fryers to spice up your kitchen. We've got the all-in-one COSORI, the powerhouses of Ninja, the flexible Elite Gourmet, and the space-saving DoubleStack. Something for everyone here. If you found your match, check the description for more details. If you got thoughts on these products, share them in the comments. And if you know someone hunting for an air fryer, send this their way to give them a nudge. Hit that like button if you dug this, subscribe for more laid-back reviews, and I'll see you next time.